Your turn.
Can't that be like Italy, does it?
1J. No J.
1J?
1J. 2J. I don't know how to stop you. Happy New Year! Woohoo! Yeah. Oh. I can't see. Somewhere's Grant. Oh, there he is.
You only did one wheel, mate.
Oh, that's a lot of rubber. It's weird seeing what I can see now. Woo! You want to see yourself, Grant?
I don't want to see myself.
Look, it means I can't see you there.
Video, I don't records it and it just says sent and then. Yeah, I'll save it. Oh well.
Woo! It's definitely red. Woo! Get some splashes off the building. What's going on here, my mate?
Yes.
Can't get it to start. Well, the batteries.
No.
Battery's dead. Red for days. Was it close?
No.
It sounded like it popped and banged.
Yeah.
So Grant's changed his cam angle sensor and now the car has fell out of timing and it won't start. See? So we're going to look into timing the car. There's no sound, there's no compression. But we know it's full of shit. Look at this. Oh! So it's not been run for probably a week or two now, maybe 3, I don't know, quite a while here. So I thought I'd take the car outside, get it up to temperature, and then we're going to start juggling the cars around because I'm sick of mine in the ramp. It's been snowing and I want to go drifting. So we managed to get Grant's car sort of started.
Told them that it's fucked in the beginning.
Yeah, we was going to tow it, but we've just messed around with the timing a bit. But we're going to give it another go now. And again. And again. Well, we're getting closer, but we think we're a tough out, so we're going to jump into that now.
Smoke every fucking orifice, like the breather. Condensation, that's condensation.
It's condensation, because, oh, got it running. All good in the hood. Whoa, that's a great success, I'm not going to lie, because he's been struggling with that probably about a week or two, like at least 3 or 4 times, and now it's working, and that's the main thing. So well, I'm happy, so I can get it off the goddamn ramp and work on my car. Woo. Let's see if we can do a sound quality. What I'm going to probably do now is I'm going to get the S15 off the ramp. Probably going to get them both outside, give them a good wash. Start 2020, 21, how we want to get on. And then, you don't really want to see us washing a car, do you? I'll probably skip that. I just thought I'd share all the good news with you because it's what a result. Can't lie, it's been funny watching him struggle. And then I come along half an hour bush, I'll get it done for you. Sorry, bud. Can't see what I'm recording. Good morning. Civic is on the ramp, covered. 33 is under the ramp, covered. But what I'm going to do today, wheels up to wheel furb, so they're ready for the Civic. Fresh new wheels, fresh new paint, everything. I don't really want to be just the car looking crap on messed up wheels. So I've got these spare. They're going to be done by wheel furb. I've just messaged wheel furb now and says, are you open? I said, yep. So I'm going to get them done. And I'm going to get the RPO ones done up there as well. I'm going to probably sell them because they don't fit. We're selling them and we're going to be putting the VTR wheels on the Civic. But let's have a look at the S15. Give it a clean yesterday. Oh, as you see, I don't know if you've noticed on the last video, or maybe I'll combine this one, we've got a new camera. We've got a Canon G7X. I mean, we joined the vloggers of the world. But a couple of people have said, guys, up the quality of the video. GoPros, they're just cutting it. They're old GoPros, we use them for drifting. Screens are damaged, all that sort of stuff. I am still going to be using the GoPros because I ain't wrecking this camera. You know what I mean? Take cheap. But fortunately, I didn't buy it. My missus got it me as a Christmas present. So all you sneaky little squirrels that told her, I'm watching you. Don't be going, Gaz. I was helping to get Christmas present. I'm watching. Hang on, and you know who you are. Stripped all this down. Fully stripped. It's all been prepped. So all this has been prepped, ready. Took back any rust to bare metal. So I'm going to need to bodywork them, and then I'm going to need to prime them, then paint them red. This is the tedious bit now, I'm not going to lie. I don't even really want to do it. But I've got to, haven't we? Got to get it done. This thing right here has saved us dough. If you're anything like me, because if you're anything like me, and you love holding wheels, taking tyres off is just a cinch. What I've decided to do is I've took all these off, I've ripped all the valves out as well. Took these ones out, took all the centre caps off. These ones, they'll take off because I want these painted the same colours as that. This will be powder coat and this will no doubt be paint. The reason why I want to get the centre caps done as well is because when I put them in or I decide to sell them, no, I'm not selling these wheels. Why I want the centre caps done as well is because I'm worried about them being a slightly different shade of silver. Because the wheels are old, it's just going to look trash at you. But I've took these centre caps out. Those are like a brushed finish, so they're actually going to be left alone. I'm just undecided. Do I get these done in white or get them redone in silver? I don't know what to do. I loved it when I had white wheels, but because I'm selling them, silver's going to be easy to sell. What do you reckon? White wheels, silver wheels, keep, sell? I don't know. I don't think I'm going to have a 4x100 car for a while. What a sight. But But what I'm actually going to do now is I'm going to load these into the S15 now. I'm going to take the S15 for a run because the battery's starting to get a bit lazy. Take them up to wheel furb, go and say hello for 10-15 minutes, and just then, we might get to midnight development, check out the boys, see what they're doing today. We might be doing something interesting, or we might just have some food. I'll see you on the other side.